Welcome one, welcome all. I am Mark Paulda, a professional photographer. I have been in the photography business for well over 20 years. I want to help you succeed so you can earn money with your camera. With every episode, I will offer you sound advice so you can be part of the 15% of aspiring photographers who succeed. If you are looking for help to turn your passion for photography into a successful business, you have come to the right place. I have got the answers. My weekly episodes will help you understand how to market yourself, how to build a profitable business, and best business practices. No more feeling lost. You do not have to go it alone. Join my audio podcast and start taking my advice on turning your hobby into a profitable business. You will get access to a professional photographer and the best practices that I have learned and experienced over the years. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me. mark@markpaulda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text. 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. Let's get started.
How to get your first photography clients. There are great opportunities for new photographers, whether your goal is to make a little extra money on the side, or turn it into a full-time business. Although there is a lot of potential, breaking into the business can be hard. You need a portfolio, or work samples, in order to attract clients, but you need clients to build that portfolio. So where do you start? Do not worry, there are some steps you can take that will help you during these early stages, and I will walk through the steps in this podcast. The goal will be to build up a small portfolio that shows off your work, and to help you land your first paid clients. Step 1. Choose your specialty. There are a lot of different types of photography, and it is a good idea to specialize. That does not mean that you are limiting yourself to only one type of photography, but it helps you to brand yourself and your services, and you can present yourself to the ideal clients in a way that helps you to land the job. Just some of the possibilities for specialization include weddings, engagements, families, maternity, newborns, kids, seniors, and sports. It is also possible to specialize in a few different things, instead of just one area. When you are just getting started, you probably do not want to limit yourself to only being able to offer maternity sessions, for example. Instead, you could focus on a few areas like maternity, newborns, kids, and families. The main reason you should choose your specialties to start with is that it will dictate the types of photos you need to get into your portfolio. If you want to offer newborn photo sessions, it helps to have some photos in your portfolio from at least one newborn session, so potential clients can see your work. Keep in mind, this is something that can evolve over time. The choices you make now can always be changed, or adapted later, so you are not committing to anything permanently. Step 2. Start to build your portfolio. If you want to start landing paying clients, one of the best things you can do is build up a portfolio, or samples of your work. Potential clients will judge your ability based on the samples of work that they are able to see, so you want to make sure that you have some quality photos to show off. When you are just getting started, it is very likely that you will need to be willing to do some work for free, or at very low prices in order to get sample photos that can be used in your portfolio. Even though you will not be making much, if anything, from these jobs, they are important to your ability to make money in the future. Make sure you are doing your best work, and treat it like a paid gig regardless of whether you are being paid or not. The best place to start is with your friends, family, and people that you know. Talk to friends, family, co-workers, neighbors, and people in any social groups that you are a part of. Tell them that you are starting a photography business, and you are offering free, or discounted photo sessions, to build up your portfolio. It is not hard to find people who are interested in getting free, or low-priced photography services. While it is great to start with your own personal network, There may be times when you want, or need, to reach people outside of your own network. Maybe you want to do a maternity session, and you do not know anyone who is pregnant. Posting a simple ad on Craigslist is a great way to reach people, and if you are offering photos for free, or cheap, you will probably get some takers. Regardless of whether you are photographing friends, or strangers, I recommend that you have some established guidelines, so everyone knows what to expect. And, if you are posting to Craigslist, you can specify these details in the post. Some details that you should clarify. Length of the photo session. Location of the photo session, a park, their home, etc. What they will get. Example, 25 edited digital photos. What you get. Their permission for you to use the photos in your marketing materials. It is not a bad idea to get a contract signed, even if the price is $0. You can include a release in the contract, allowing you to use the photos for marketing purposes. That way you are covered. At the beginning, it is normal to feel like you need a lot of experience in order to get paying clients. In reality, that is not true. A small portfolio is fine, but you need to have high-quality photos. Do not spend a lot of time on this step. You want to have a few of these sessions, so you can get some samples for your portfolio, but then move on. You do not want to be giving away your work for free, or cheap for a long time. Step 3. Set up your website. Now that you have some sample photos that you can use, start to create your portfolio website. This may sound intimidating if you have never had a website before, but actually it can be quite easy. There are a few different platforms that you can use to easily set up a basic website that effectively shows off your work and lists the services that you offer. Here are a few of the platforms that you might want to consider. Smug, Mug, Zenfolio, Squarespace, WordPress. With those platforms, you will be able to choose a template as your starting point. Then you will simply upload your photos, create the necessary pages, and insert your text. The basics that your portfolio site should include are a gallery of your photos, a detailed description of the services that you offer, your contact information, so people can reach you, where you are located, and what cities/towns you cover. You can include pricing information if you want to, but it is not necessary. Step 4. Promote your services. Now that you have some quality photos to show off, and you have a portfolio website that you can point potential clients to, it is time to start promoting your services. At this point, the goal is to get paying clients. It is important to note, the purpose of your portfolio site is to convince potential clients that you are worthy of hiring. The portfolio site, especially at first, is not going to generate leads for you. You will need to do some work promoting your services, and when you are talking to people, you can send them to your portfolio to see your work. Do not rely on the portfolio site to bring new clients to you, without proactively marketing your services. The key to promoting your services, and finding clients, is networking. Talk to everyone you know. Do not forget that everyone you know also has their own network of people that you do not know. Ask people for referrals. You can even give them some incentive, if you want to. After you are done with a photo session, this could be done with your free or discounted clients as well. Post a few of the photos to Facebook, or Instagram, or Flickr, and tag your clients. It is a good idea to ask their permission first, but most people will be happy to allow it. When you tag the client, their friends and family will see the photos, and it is a great way to get exposure that could lead to more clients. Be sure to mention that you are currently taking appointments for upcoming sessions, and link to your website, or give people an easy way to contact you. You could even offer a discount for people who find you on your social media channel. Again, Craigslist can be a great resource, even if you are looking to find paying clients. Post an ad in your town/city, and also in neighboring areas. It does not take a lot of time to create a simple post, and you can even repost it later to keep getting in front of new people. Include some sample photos in the post, or at least link to your portfolio, so people can see your work. As you are starting to promote your services, one effective technique can be to offer mini sessions. A mini session might include a 30 or 60-minute session, and rights to a specific number of digital photos from the session. For example, you could post something on Facebook that you are taking appointments for mini sessions on a particular Saturday or Sunday at a local park. People can pick a time that you have available and show up for their mini session. Include the details of the price and what they will get, as well as the location and the times available. If you are going to do this at a park, check to be sure that it is allowed by the park. Following these steps should help you to get at least your first few paying clients. From there, building your business is largely about word of mouth. Make sure you do a great job for your clients, and if they are happy, always ask for referrals. Good luck with your new business.
A genuine thank you for joining me today for this episode. If you are serious about success in the photography business, then I am serious and ready to help. Visit markpaulda.mentor.com and discover a variety of ways I can help you in your journey. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me, mark@markpaulda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text, 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. I will catch you in the next episode.